Welcome to Rob Talks. Today we're talking tarot cards. Was this card meant to find you today? Maybe? Subscribe to this playlist as we take a journey into each of the tarot cards one by one and the meanings of the imagery and message they convey. Let's get started. The Magician, card number 1. The Magician stands with one arm raised towards the heavens and the other pointing to the earth, symbolizing his ability to channel divine energy into the material world. He is surrounded by symbols of the 4 elements, a cup, a sword, a wand, and a pentacle, representing mastery over all aspects of life. The infinity symbol above his head signifies endless potential, and a table full of tools before him represents his resources. This card is about manifestation. The Magician is a card of action and creation, emphasizing the power to turn ideas into reality through willpower and skill. Resourcefulness. It signifies using the tools at your disposal effectively to achieve your goals. Self-confidence. The card also reflects confidence in one's abilities and encourages you to harness your inner potential. We hope you enjoyed this message. Did it resonate with you? If so, please leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.